Best deals. 1. Potato Keeper. The wide mouth opening provides easy access for placing and removing onions or potatoes, ensuring convenience when you need them. The specially designed click lock lid is simple to open and securely seals the container, keeping your produce fresh for longer. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Strainer. Designed for hygienic, quick drainage, making it ideal for paneer, curd, nut milk, coconut milk, and juicing. It ensures a fresh, smooth consistency for homemade dairy. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Hair cleaning tools. Remove hair, gunk, and soap scum from bathroom and kitchen drains without touching the mess. This hair cleaning shovel is specially designed for no-touch, hygienic cleaning of wash basins, bathtubs, and shower drains. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Popsicle mold. Made of non-stick material, which makes the mold easy to clean, multiple slots enable the creation of a variety of frozen treats such as kulfi, popsicles, and other custom desserts. Equipped with handles for a comfortable grip and easy maneuvering while enjoying homemade ice creams or popsicles. This silicone popsicle molds for kids is made of food-grade silicone, 100% BPA-free. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Seed extractor. Innovative pomegranate seed extractor is one of the most nutritious fruits, but due to the difficulty of cutting, most people stay from consuming it on a regular basis. The Ballast pomegranate seed extractor is a one-of-a-kind product that saves a lot of time. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Mop and brush. Save space and simplify your cleaning routine with this all-in-one design. Simple push and pull mechanism allows efficient cleaning and drying of the mop. Hands-free rinsing under the water. Avoid contact with dirty water and grime. This mop self-cleans with a simple push-pull action. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Container. Made of steel container, apt for storing dry foods, transparent window to check supply levels. Durable body with fingerprint-proof finish. Designed for a better grip. Not suitable for storing liquids. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Faucet aerator. Tailored to the demands of public spaces, this aerator is engineered to combat clogging issues arising from variations in water quality, ensuring a consistently smooth and reliable water flow. Innovative aerator is equipped with advanced impurity cleaning and limescale avoidance functions, addressing common concerns in faucet maintenance. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Vacuum bag sealer. Enjoy seamless kitchen convenience with this innovative vacuum bag sealer that features integrated air blower technology. Whether you need to vacuum seal food for freshness or inflate and deflate various items, the versatile design covers all your storage and preparation needs in one compact device. You will be able to quickly adjust settings and monitor progress, making meal prep, storage, and sous vide tasks faster and more accessible for users of all experience levels. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Water bottle. With a 1200 milliliters capacity, the Sipper water bottle for kids ensures your child drinks enough water, reducing trips for refills. The leak-proof design means no more messes in backpacks or on the go, providing peace of mind for parents. Made from BPA-free materials, this bottle is safe for kids and built to last, ensuring healthy hydration. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Dinner table mats. Excellent quality, so that this table mat is not easy to wear and scratch. Perfect for daily use. Beautiful stylish placemats to add more fun to your kitchen table, easily adaptable under any design. Black dining table. The rectangular design and trendy colors can easily decorate your table in dining room and add more fun to your kitchen table. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Lunch box. Features 2 stacked tiers for separating different types of food, with a round shape for compact storage. Equipped with leak-proof rings on the outer circumference of each tier to prevent spills and leaks. Made from durable stainless steel with a top-notch mirror finish for a sleek appearance and easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Hair dryer holder. The 3-in-1 compartments of the hair accessories organizer cabinet door can be organized to hair dryer holder, curling wands, hair brushes, combs, razors or makeup tools well, making it easy to reach. Keep your countertops area organized and clutter-free. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Teacups. Made from high-quality ceramic, these ceramic coffee mugs are made to last longer and keep your coffee hot and tasty. Safe for the dishwasher, refrigerator, and microwave. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Desk organizer. Includes a lifetime calendar, mobile holder, pen and stationery stand, and motivational quote all in one space-saving wooden setup. A meaningful and functional gift for birthdays. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Fruit basket. Premium stainless steel fruit mesh basket with net cover. Use a strainer or colander to wash fruits and veggies, sturdy and rust resistant. Elegant net basket for fruits with cover. Stylish fruit basket for dining table with lid. Doubles as fruit basket for gift, vegetables, or daily kitchen use. Versatile fruit storage basket for healthy, long-lasting kitchen use. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Microwave stand. Is designed to accommodate microwave ovens, OTG, air fryers, mixer grinders, and kitchen essentials, keeping your space clutter-free. Made from premium quality metal and engineered wood, this microwave storage rack for kitchen offers exceptional stability and durability, supporting heavy kitchen appliances with ease. Featuring a compact yet spacious design. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Aroma diffuser. Elevate your home with this electric aroma diffuser for home, featuring a stunning rain cloud design that blends modern sophistication with functionality. Not just a humidifier, it transforms your space by releasing a fragrant mist with 2 to 3 drops of your favorite essential oil, enhancing relaxation and improving indoor air quality. Perfect for creating a serene and stylish atmosphere. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Laundry basket. Allows you to sort laundry beforehand. Separate light and dark clothes, home and work clothes and undergarments easily. Simplify the laundry process while saving space with our laundry hamper. Ensures easy movement, solving heavy lifting problem. Rolling wheels are sturdy to turn in all directions. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Copper water bottle. Crafted with eco-friendly stainless steel material, the Better Home water bottle ensures durability and prevents foul odors. This 950 ml bottle is spill-proof and includes a cork seal for added protection. Product link is given in the 20th link.